The KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2 GPS smartwatch is a rugged and reliable timepiece designed for outdoor enthusiasts and those working in demanding environments. Built to military standards, it has passed 15 military-grade tests, ensuring durability against extreme temperatures, high altitudes, dust, salt spray, and liquid contamination. Equipped with built-in GPS and an advanced positioning system, the T3 Ultra 2 ensures accurate location tracking across diverse terrains. It integrates an altimeter, barometric pressure sensor, and internal compass, making it an excellent companion for hiking, cycling, and other outdoor activities. Its powerful 470 mAh pure cobalt battery extends usability to 16 days in smartwatch mode, 42 hours in GPS mode, and up to 14 days in power-saving mode, providing reliable long-term performance. For sports enthusiasts, the smartwatch features automatic recognition of 6 key activities, including walking, running, and cycling, along with over 170 sport modes catering to various interests like skiing, rock climbing, and boxing. Additionally, the dual intelligent chips enhance processing speed while reducing power consumption, ensuring a smooth and efficient user experience. The integrated AI voice assistant allows for hands-free commands, making it a practical tool for multitasking. Designed with 5 ATM and IP69K waterproof certification, the T3 Ultra 2 is perfect for swimmers, surfers, and divers. Its specialized SWALF swimming mode records performance data for professional analysis.